Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video on my channel, The Amateur Photographer. I'm Adele, the Amateur Photographer. Today I'm excited. I just picked up this morning from Best Buy the Osmo Pocket. I'm really excited about this thing. So today I decided to do an unboxing and first impression of it, and I'm gonna use it. I'm planning on using it for 2-3 weeks and do another video on how it's used, do a review of the product itself. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, if you're new here, I do tech reviews, camera and photography reviews for the amateur market. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. All right, so just picked it up from Best Buy. So it comes with some cards, Osmo shields, talks about the warranty. For information, visit our website, list all their website. And now for voila! And this is the camera itself. Ooh, it feels heavy. Does not feel cheap at all. It's like, all right. And this is the case, which includes the other information as well as the charging cable. It has a side opener like this. Pull it out. Looks like it's made out of good material. Very nice. It's plasticky, but it's some kind of soft plastic. And the cover over it is rubbery. And it hooks to the side like that. Pretty nice, I have to say. Here you have a hand strap. You have all the accessories, all the attachments, charging cable. Charging cable. This is, I believe, one of the smartphone attachments. Correct, and this is the iPhone attachment. So that's the one I'll be using. And this is the USB-C attachment. I'm not sure which smartphones right now use it. This is an iPhone household in my household, so I'm not sure which other competitors out there are using the USB-C, but I gotta imagine this at least will be able to also hook it up to a laptop or something. All right. These are the manuals, quick start guide, and these are disclaimers and legal matters. Yeah. So let's turn it on. Peel this off first. Okay. And peel the camera. All right. Turns on. As you could see, it's stabilized. And this is here the screen with the menus. This is here where the attachment goes for the smartphone. Like that, clicks in. On the side here you have the SD card slot. In the front you have two buttons, a power button and a record button. And the screen features the DJI logo. On this side there's nothing. The back side, just the DJI logo. The back side seems to be slightly different color than the rest of the camera. But same material. And at the bottom is the USB-C charging slot. So before you could properly use the Osmo Pocket mobile camera, you need to get it activated. This can be accomplished through DJI's Nemo app. You need to download the app, attach the camera to it, as you can see right now on the screen. Go through all the process. It's pretty straightforward. And you will be able to get the camera activated, at which point you will also activate your 1-year warranty, and you'll be able to use the camera's full feature. Alright, so I wanted to also show you how you could turn it off and put it back into the case. Forgot to mention that the case has an opening on the bottom of it, which would be the camera's bottom, and which will allow you to charge it while it's in the case. But it will also help you as a guide to know which side to put the camera on when you load it back into the case. So to turn the camera off, you hold the power button. It's turned off. To the side there is a demo right here, but it's a sticker, so I'm sure you're gonna take it off. So you open this up and you would put the camera like this. And then secure it with the strap built in. And then as you could see right now, you have access to the USB charging outlet. And here is the USB cable, came with it. Quickly see, it was attached, no issues. One last thing I wanted to leave you with on the physical attribute of this little gym. Once I got it activated and it's up and running, I noticed that once I turn it off, the camera goes into the position it needs to be in order for us to put it inside the case. So a little earlier you saw me fiddling with it to try to put it into the case, but you don't need to do that once it's activated. Here's how it works. So you turn it on. As you could see, it gets itself stabilized and in the position. Right? And now once you turn it off, it takes that position again, and you could put it in. Another little thing I noticed, which I think it's cool, is the fact that if you have the smartphone attachment, you don't have to take it off while you're putting it into the case, because the case does have an opening which fits it perfectly. Snuggle in, lock, the baby is sleeping. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Come back for the actual product review. We're so excited that you're here. Thanks.